Your next question is: which animal does not drink water for weeks? These are your options. A. Camel. B. Donkey. C. Elephant. D. Giraffe. The correct answer is A. Camel. Your next question is: which bird also eats pebbles and stones? These are your options. A. Peacock. B. Parrot. C. Pigeon. D. Ostrich. The correct answer is D. Ostrich. Your next question is: how many days after birth does a human child learn to laugh? These are your options. A. 10 days. B. 15 days. C. 1 month. D. 25 days. The correct answer is C. 1 month. Your next question is: sunflower is the national flower of which country? These are your options. A. Russia. B. France. C. Ukraine. D. Cambodia. The correct answer is C. Ukraine. Your next question is: which fruit contains 25% air? These are your options. A. Apple. B. Mango. C. Guava. D. Jackfruit. The correct answer is A. Apple. Your next question is: what is the maximum number of days any human being can stay awake continuously? These are your options. A. 2 days. B. 4 days. C. 8 days. D. 11 days. The correct answer is D. 11 days.